Alright guys, what is up? It is 7 p.m. I didn't film anything all day, so I apologize for that. I was really busy working on video stuff, dealing with issues with my Starbucks account was recently hacked, so I was trying to get that taken care of. I also had to deal with my website for my business. I had a bunch of stuff to take care of, and then I had to tutor, did some yard work, so I really haven't had a chance to film until now. But pretty exciting news, we did make money today, and Amazon just killed it today. They went up like $17 today and 32 cents. It was a phenomenal day for them. Only, 1.96%, but that's huge for Amazon because that's such a big jump. Yeah, so let's take a look at what we did here. I just got back from tutoring literally, so I just got logged into my account. I did check my phone on the way home, and I'll post a screenshot of what I saw, which got me real excited. But let's just kind of look at how we did today. We made a little over 1,300 bucks, so really good day. Definitely happy about that because we didn't have a great week last week. I bought 5 more shares of Nvidia, and then I ended up selling a covered call for Nvidia, which turned out to be not a great day for that because it already went up to 55 cents a share on the contract, which basically means Nvidia's stock price went up, and that's not exactly desired. It is desired because we own the stock. So if you look right here, the covered call that I sold had a strike price of $105, and the expiration is April 28th. And so today is April 17th, and so I have 11 days for this to stay below 105. If this stays below 105, the contract will expire worthless, and I shouldn't have to sell my shares. I should be able to keep those, and I'll just make that extra money, which was $23.35. So I'll get to keep that $23.35 as just extra money. So we're a little over 55,000. We're closer to 56 now. We were down like in the mid 54s today at the start. So a really good day. I'm really happy about that. So Tesla went down a little bit. Let's look at the percentages real quick. It's gonna be a really quick video, but Amazon had a really fantastic day we have 3 call options on them. In fact, I think we have most of our money in them besides Apple. So Apple also had a pretty good day. We have 100 shares of Apple stock, and we do have a covered call that we sold on Apple. So we do want Apple to stay below 147. So we're not hoping for them to do too good. We want them to do well, but we're not too well. Twilio had a pretty good day. The Netflix went up a lot today, but I just read after the bell closed, just read this, that their subscriber growth wasn't as good this quarter, so their stock went down a little bit, but then it's starting to recover already. And the CEO is not too worried about the subscriber growth. He's already saying there's still a lot of growth opportunities for them, but they are pretty jealous of YouTube and Amazon. They're really impressed with the growth they've been seeing. YouTube is just completely dominating in terms of what people are watching, what people are spending time watching online. And so that really gets me wanting to buy a Google call option because, as you might be aware, may or may not be aware, Google is kind of expensive right now. They actually have different shares of stock too, like Class A, Class B, C, whatever. But if you just look at just regular Google, the parent company is GOOGL, but this is just the regular. So let's look at options, and let's look at buy to open. And then it'll show you, let's see, one. Okay, so you see Google's pretty expensive to buy the actual stock. It had a really good day today. So let's see if let's look at some options and see what kind of prices we have for that. Because I really do want to get into this soon. Because YouTube came out with their YouTube TV subscription. You could actually basically get cable through YouTube now, which would make a ton of money for Google if they can get some subscribers with that. YouTube Red is still around. People are paying for that, and then they're still trying to fix their ad revenue with their normal sponsors. But I think once they get that taken care of, I just think Google's going to make so much money in the future. So let's just say 900 bucks even. Let's look at January of next year. I'm sorry, it just reset itself. Hold on. Let's go back to 900. Let's look at the call. Let's see what those are going for right now. Okay, wow, yeah. So if I were to buy one call option contract for Google, it would cost me $2,950. That's a lot of money. I don't know if I can afford that. I obviously can't afford that right now, but I do want to. So I really need to look at what I'm going to start selling. I just have most of my money Like, I have a big chunk of change in AT&T, but that's because they're paying good dividends and I don't want to get rid of that. But I don't know, I might have to make a decision. Netflix, I don't have a lot of money in Netflix. Like, there's a lot of options I just don't have a lot of money in. So even if I were to sell them all, I don't have that much. I'm not going to get that much money for it. I really need one of these to like go up a lot. I really need GoPro to go up so I can triple my money on that or something like that. I need Adobe to go up. Maybe I could like double my money on that. I just need some of these to go up, but I just don't know what yet. So this is tough. I don't really have anything that I really want to get rid of. Of course, if I get rid of any stock, I'm only going to be able to spend half of that amount on options. So if I were to sell Twilio right now and get $3,000 back, I could only spend $1,500 on options, which is not even enough for one of those Google options that I was just looking at. So they're pretty expensive. I don't know. I really don't know what I'm going to do. This sucks not having money. Like, I wish I had more money to spend on options because I really am seeing a good opportunity in Google. So yeah, I just don't know. Alright, so that'll wrap up today's video. It was kind of short, not much to talk about. I wasn't around all day. There's a lot in the news that I probably missed. But Amazon's doing pretty well. We're going to see what happens with Netflix tomorrow. I'm not thinking it's going to do very well. But hopefully it calms down by the time the market opens tomorrow. So if you did like this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah, not much to say about today. We had a great day, so I'm happy. There's nothing I can imagine getting rid of. So I'm just kind of stuck in a corner right now. I just got to hold on to what I have and just hope that they all go up. And I just got to find a way to make some more money so I can get that Google options. So with that said, hope you guys have a fantastic day, and we will see you tomorrow.